Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue pallu with the prints on the pinkish red color with zari lines. Very contrast blue blouse piece. The borders is also in the blouse piece color, the deep blue color. It's a kind of a copper sulphate blue with zari borders. And the saree color is also a beautiful and different one with a differently printed concept as well. This kind of diagonally, the increasing pattern, the plain portion increases and almost goes half and half when it is coming in the leg portion. Beautiful prints. The prints are done using the blue color. The saree color is also an elegant maroon mixed pink color. Excellent saree, very different color concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with zari lines. Same pink blouse piece with zari borders. Contrast pallu and blouse piece for the saree. Saree is in beautiful cream base with all over printed design. Very elegant small floral. The brown used for the leaf pattern and the pink is given for the flowers. The border adds richness to the saree. Contrast pink border. Beautiful saree, very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful cream pallu, a rare color in the pallu with block prints all over along with zari lines. And we have a complete contrast pink blouse piece, ultimate contrast blouse piece it is. The saree here is in cream base itself, sandal finish color. All over the pink is used for the printing, mild floral design printed all over. And we also have the border designs which have black, pink and blue shades. Elegant saree, very different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful rusty orange color pallu with zari borders, zari lines. And we have same color blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having a golden zari border on the base of rust color. And here we have the rust color in the top which is plain and the lower half is completely cream color, creamy half white with the rose design printed. Again rust and green colors are used for the printing. Beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue shade pallu with zari lines on the base of light blue shade color. And we have a little turquoise green and blue mixed shade color, little lighter shade. Blouse piece with prints in the blouse piece. Very rarely we have prints in the blouse piece. On one side we have the royal blue color borders. The complete saree is having the same light turquoise blue shade color saree with prints in green in the body, little lighter shade and small prints. And we have mango design printed in both sides borders, one at a row on the top and two at a row at the bottom, very elegantly using the royal blue color. The borders of the saree is also in royal blue base. Elegant saree, very different color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade saree, a mild light pista green color with deep burgundy prints on it. The same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. And here we have the saree in a tribal concept, all over tribal pattern printed, ancient tribal design, very closely printed using the brown shade. And we also have borders done in the blue color with the same tribal pattern. Elegant saree with the borders with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink shade color saree, magenta pink shade with fully block printed pallu along with the zari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, running color with golden zari borders in both sides. And here we have two different type of printing in the saree. The top half is diagonally printed with two different designs, yellow and cream used for the printing. And the lower half is completely a butta type printing that is done in a mango design. Very different half saree type printing. And otherwise the saree color is same with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with very different horse pattern printed in it using cream color along with the zari lines. Same pink blouse piece with green borders. An ultimate contrast, very attractive combination saree. Green saree here, bright parrot green color with floral design in pink and white, and we have both sides the pink border, very elegant horse pattern printed. Very attractive, ultimate combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept, very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful, very attractive yellow pallu with zari lines. The same yellow blouse piece. It's really attractive, very beautiful yellow color. And the complete saree is also in yellow with the lower half fully a floral design printed. The starting of the chest part till the chest part, the pallu comes. You can see the beautiful contrast nature of the saree. Really pretty one. The color is really attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a cream color pallu. Rarely cream is given for the pallu here with black block prints, and we also have zari lines. And we have a body color, a pink shade blouse piece with one side the half white color used for the borders. The borders completely are in half white with the golden zari, and you can see the beautiful saree type. The top half is completely plain, the same dark pink, and the lower half is having fully horizontal printing design along with the temple border. Done on cream base in using the black ink. Very elegant and different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue shade, little lighter shade royal blue with zari lines in the pallu, and we have a contrast light parrot green shade for the blouse piece, completely contrast to the body and the pallu. And the saree here is in cream color. This is the extension of the pallu which comes almost near the chest part, and we have the complete body which is cream with the prints in blue and light green shade. Borders are also given in the blue. Very elegant collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, navy blue and maroon in the pallu with block prints and zari lines, and we have a wine color, deep burgundy and wine mixed color blouse piece, a contrast one. The same color is used for the prints here, and here we have a brush painted design all over the body, and we also have rectangular blue prints and border design also in blue. Very elegant and beautiful collection, a trendy and new exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and pink in the pallu with beautiful prints, floral design, and we also have zari lines vertically done, and we have a contrast blouse piece, complete magenta pink with one side grey borders. The complete saree is having grey borders with beautiful zari border on it. The saree here basically is in grey shade. With top and bottom we have pink base and cream color used for printing. We also have a big polka design printed using the grey. Different color combination and very beautiful collection, an exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light blue color pallu with beautiful zari lines in the pallu. We also have zari borders. Same light blue blouse piece, plain one with one side deep grey color border. The whole saree is having beautiful zari borders. The same pallu color, light blue shade. The saree here is completely in grey, a bluish beautiful grey color with buttas here and there done using the block print. Cream and green used for the butta weaving. A very simple, very elegant combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree with prints in pink color, ultimate contrast combination with pink blouse piece, very elegant blouse piece with both sides a royal blue color border. The complete saree is having royal blue borders with antique finish zari. The body of the saree is pink. Top and bottom we have the same kind of printing, and the middle portion is printed closely with the royal blue shade, mango design. Really beautiful saree, a colorful, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with pink pallu, and we have block prints in the royal blue shade. We have vertical block prints in this pallu along with the zari lines. Golden zari used for the zari lines here. And the pink blouse piece, the body color blouse piece, running one with one side the royal blue borders. The complete saree is having zari borders on royal blue base here, both sides. And you can see the pink body base with the royal blue prints. Two different printing. The top half we have the floral small flower design, and the lower half leaf design is printed. Very beautiful one. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, a deep green color, a parrot green and a deeper shade color blouse pallu, and we have maroon prints, and we have the as usual zari lines with the body color blouse piece. It's a light green and yellow mixed shade. The whole saree is in the same color with green prints. The top portion of the saree is fully printed with green and maroon, alternately in three different designs. And the lower half we have the just butta design and only border design printing. Kind of a half saree model in the printing. Otherwise it is in same color and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Beautiful pallu here, dual color, orange as well as pink in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very beautiful pink blouse piece with one side orange borders. The saree here is in cream color, fully cream, plain cream color. With top we have orange borders, and the lower half we have the pink. A very beautiful Ganga Jamuna concept, and block prints is also very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with light green, light yellow mixed green color base. On it the block prints is done. The same yellow mixed light pastel green is given for the blouse piece here with one side dark green borders. The dark green border itself is a parrot green. You can see the border here. Very elegant design. You can the starting of the chest part, the diagonal design starts, and it almost goes to the 3/4 of the saree inside. You can see the design. It's really beautiful. Vertical part printing in the lower half, and the upper half we have the normal motif design printed. Multiple colors used for it. Beautiful pastel shade saree in a green combination. This is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink in a light violet shade color, purple and pink mixed color saree with same color pallu, and we have blouse piece also in the same color. The block prints in both blouse piece as well as in the pallu. The saree is also plain one with both side borders in cream base with elegant printing in it. Excellent color shade. Beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep blue, it's almost a navy blue shade color pallu with pink portion in the pallu vertically given. We have zari lines as usual, and we have the zigzag lines portion also, which is block printed. And we have a pink blouse piece, running color, body color with one side the deep blue block print design. The complete body portion having the borders in the deep blue, the navy blue shade. Antique zari is given, and the saree here is in beautiful pink, almost a magenta pink shade with a triangle pattern running in the lower half of the saree, which is in the blue. We also have the polka dots design done in the printing. Cream is used for the polka dots. Different design, it's really different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light radiant green shade color saree and same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block print design done using the blue shade in the pallu. And we have light green, it's almost an apple green shade with one side a beautiful deep brown color borders, some maroon and brown mixed border. On it the antique zari is used here for the zari border. The complete saree is in apple green with maroon prints, very different prints it is. And we also have the blue given in the both side borders. In the lower part of the saree, it is a half saree model kind. The lower part have different type of printing in the same color, but all over it's being printed. Blue is used more in the lower part. Excellent saree, very different designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk sarees, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a royal blue color pallu with zari lines and block prints in the pallu. And we have same royal blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. The saree here having a beautiful zari border all over done using golden zari, and the royal blue base. Top portion is completely plain with the border design alone in the contrast maroon shade color. And the lower half we have the cream color base with the prints which is very different. You can see a girl design, very elegantly it's been done. Excellent concept, bright saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a orange color, a rustic orange color saree with black prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines also in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The printing here is done in beautiful way that the middle part have the palm leaf design printed using black, and the lower half we have a checkered kind pattern, two different designs printed, a floral as well as a black design which is also a floral. Very different pattern, all over printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a royal blue color pallu with brown base for the zari lines vertically, and we have a light blue which is something in a copper sulphate blue shade color blouse piece with one side the brown border. The complete saree is having a brown base border. It's almost a burgundy brown with the golden zari border. And here the pattern of the saree is very different. You can see the leaves pattern in the lower part and the polka dots pattern in the top, and the polka dots are done using brown. The leaves in the royal blue base, and the pattern it's like a staircase. It lowers and then again the staircase pattern increases. And when it goes to the lower part of the saree, vertically the printing is done. Alternatively, both designs are given. A very different saree, very different printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have a deep maroon color shade prints in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same light green shade, little lighter green blouse piece with one side the darker green borders. It's almost an apple green shade with very elegant maroon prints. Brown and maroon are used for the printing. The borders we have a very elegant tribal pattern printed, and the middle portion we have the butta designs, and the saree have a half saree pattern as well. The same printing is done in a vertical way in the lower portion. Different one the printing is done in the half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade saree, a very elegant green, parrot green shade with maroon prints on it, the pallu, and we have zari lines also with same light green shade, little lighter shade green for the blouse piece, which is same as the body. Body is very different here. The top portion is completely red base, maroon base with the green prints, and the lower half of the saree is completely in green with the printing in the motif type design. Very different one in a half saree model design, printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark.